In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new PayPal account, a crucial step if you're looking to send, receive, or manage your payments online easily. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. You can do this by typing in www.paypal.com into the address bar. PayPal is a highly trusted platform used worldwide, offering features beyond just payments, including mobile wallet functionalities and more, making it a versatile tool for both individuals and businesses. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, look for the blue Sign Up button. It should be clearly visible. Click on this button to start the account creation process. Now you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to set up. PayPal offers two main account types, personal and business. A personal account is ideal if you're mainly planning to shop online or send money to friends, while a business account is tailored for those wanting to operate using PayPal for their company transactions and comes with additional features suitable for commerce. Select the option that best matches your needs. With your account type selected, find the Get Started button and click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Here you'll need to enter your email address. Ensure it's one that you use regularly, as PayPal will use this for communication, including account verification and notifications. Next up, click Next to proceed. Now it's time to fill in your personal details as required. This includes your first and last name, postal address, and phone number. If you've opted for a personal account, that's about all you need for now. However, should you choose a business account, be prepared to input your business-related details, which can include business name, address, and a bit about what you do. It might seem like a lot, but providing accurate information is critical for the security and proper functioning of your account. After completing the personal details, it's time to create a strong password. Remember, your password should be something robust and unique. Avoid using obvious choices like password123 or any personal details that others might easily guess. Instead, opt for a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols to increase security. Once you've ensured all entered information is correct and your password is secure, you'll be prompted to link a payment method to your PayPal account, such as a credit or debit card or a bank account. This step allows you to pay for purchases or transfer money using your PayPal account. Completing this link will set you on your way to using PayPal services fully. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through creating a new PayPal account. Now you're ready to harness the convenience and security that PayPal provides. Thank you for watching and enjoy your seamless online payment experience.